Hey, Frank Sesko here with Score Free Tools, and what I'm going to do today is shoot you a quick video how to paint your molding, okay, before you cut it or hang it, okay? So check this out. I like to use these right here. They're the Purdy, okay? It's the Ultra Finish, and it's a microfiber, okay? And what's really cool about this roller is there's microfiber, okay, on the tips of these. So these are really good for doing corners and molding. It leaves an ultra finish, almost like you sprayed it, okay? Now, we do have the big sprayers, the big paint sprayers and stuff like that, but when you're only doing a little bit of molding like this, it's not really worth taking that out. So again, what I like to use are these right here, okay? And we just put it right on a roller like that, okay? So this is exactly what I'm using. And it's a quick tip, but some of you guys might not know this, but check this out. So all you have to do when you're painting your molding so you don't make a mess is load up your roller, right? And check this out. What I like to do first is I always paint my edges first, okay? And you're gonna do it nice and easy, no mess, no fluff, right? Just nice and easy, right? Now remember, we're gonna do 2 coats, so you don't have to make these super thick, right? And what's really cool about this microfiber roller is it doesn't put a big bead on the face, okay? That's important. You don't want that. That makes a mess, right? So again, we do the edges first. Check this out. Super easy, right? Lay it down. I'm sure you guys are laughing at my Michael Jackson glove, right? But I do a lot of flipping, so this is what we use. Check this out. So let me load up the roller one more time. Okay, nice amount of paint. And now we're just going to paint the face, right? Making sure that we don't leave a bead on our edges, right? Because we don't want that. And again, we're going to be putting on 2 coats of paint. And this just gives you a really nice finish. You don't have to spend a lot of time either. These rollers do a really, really good job. Okay, so that's it. That's all you have to do. That's how simple it is, okay? I'm going to tell you what else is really simple too. Guys, if you haven't picked up the Contractor's Playbook yet, you have to pick this tool up, okay? If you're buying supplies and materials at the Home Depot, I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to score free tools, just like these. You can get these things for free, okay? Just by buying your supplies and materials at the Home Depot. So guys, click the link below, go over to the buy page, pick up the Contractor's Playbook right now. And again, I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to score free tools, just like this, to get an ultra finish on your molding. So guys, pick up the Playbook and I'll see you on the inside.